What is happening, party people? Today I'm going to show you how to use your leftover carrot greens, the tops of your carrots. If you're into gardening and you grow carrots, you don't want to waste all these nice greens. I'm going to show you how to make a pesto out of it today with some nuts, some garlic, some olive oil, sea salt, and pepper. And here we go. So basically, you need 2 cups of carrot tops. I measured these out with a dry cup, put them in this cup. Put it in your blender. And then you need a 1/3 cup of nuts. I didn't have enough toasted cashews or cashews, so I used a little bit of cashews, what I had left over, and then I put some walnuts in there, just as good. 1/3 cup of nuts. Then 1/3 cup of olive oil. Now you don't want to use that fancy schmancy flavored olive oil. You just want to use mild flavored olive oil. Trust me on that one, but 1/3 cup of olive oil into the blender. Olive oil is Italian magic. Olive oil into the blender. 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. So I'm going to squeeze these lemons just like Led Zeppelin talked about in their Lemon song. If y'all remember the Led Zeppelin Lemon song, it's kind of a feisty one, you know, talking about squeezing the lemon till it runs down your thigh. I wonder what that's all about. Oh, Led Zeppelin. About 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice into the mix. We'll put this into my garden compost. Then we need a clove of garlic. I like using this pre-chopped garlic stuff. And I like a lot of garlic, being Italian and everything. So 1 clove to me is like 1 big old scoop. We'll just call it that because I love garlic. Now, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and pepper. This is really, really kind of easy. 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and I know that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Because I know, because I do that all the time. And there you have it. Now we're just going to put it in the blender and blend away. If I can figure out how to get this thing on here. I like to scooch it down the side a little bit, halfway. Blend it up a little more. Make sure all that olive oil and the garlic and everything is in there. Nice and good. Ooh, that smells good. That fresh squeezed lemon juice smells good, baby. Get on now. And that's good enough. So this is what the pesto looks like. Let me just show y'all how it turns out. It's so good. Oh my God. Look at that. It's delicious. All right. Peace out. If y'all like the content, hit subscribe or go to the next video. Peace out.